Hello kids, in today's English learning we are taking up the letter U, small case U. This is a small cursive letter U and its sound is O. O. It's a very short sound. It's not A, it's O. Open up your mouth little bit and say O. So let's start to write. Make a slanting line upwards. On the same line, come downwards and get apart. Make a U shape and make a curve. Standing line downwards and a flick. Very easy to write. Slanting line upwards, standing down. Make a curve, go upwards, downwards and a flick. Slanting line upwards, standing down. Make a curve, go upwards in a standing form and make a flick. Very easy to write. Let's write a little faster. Let's write a little faster. Slanting, standing, standing down. Make a curve, go upwards, come down and a flick. Slanting, standing, make a curve, standing upwards, standing down and a flick. Now let's see the descriptive pictures for U we have today. U, a umbrella. This is a picture of an umbrella. U, a umbrella. U, a urn. This is a picture of an urn. Urn. Up. This arrow shows that balloon is up, above in the sky. This is grass, tree is growing up and the balloon is going up. This arrow shows up. Hope you have understood the sound of U and the words that starts with U. It is umbrella, urn and up. Keep learning children. Thank you.